Want to start speaking a new language in just 5 minutes a day without getting bored by textbooks? In this video, we're looking at Drops, a popular language learning platform designed to help you build your speaking confidence and vocabulary through fast, game-based lessons. If you're trying to learn a new language, the hardest part is often just staying consistent. Drops tackles this by focusing on quick 5-minute daily sessions. The app uses simple mnemonic images and fast-paced games to help you memorize words and phrases without feeling like you're studying. They support over 55 different languages, ranging from widely spoken ones like Spanish, French, and Korean to harder-to-find languages like Maori, Yoruba, and Icelandic. So how does it actually help you practice speaking? Drops focuses heavily on building your vocabulary and pronunciation. With over 5,000 words and phrases, you get to hear native audio to boost your listening skills and build the confidence you need for real-life conversations. Plus, they've recently expanded their grammar features. For languages like Brazilian Portuguese, Korean, Japanese, Tagalog, French, and German, you can now use interactive swipe tips to help you master sentence structures much more easily. Now, when it comes to user reviews, our hands-on data is a bit limited today. However, users who love the app praise its highly visual design and inclusive feel. Learners really enjoy the daily sessions, the monthly challenges that keep you motivated, and the quiz mode, which is great for testing your contextual learning. On the flip side, because the lessons are kept to short, visual 5-minute bursts, some users might find they eventually need to pair Drops with external conversational practice if they want to reach full, deep fluency. Overall, if you want a fun, flexible, and beautifully designed way to build your vocabulary and pronunciation anytime, anywhere, Drops is a fantastic tool to add to your daily routine. Have you tried Drops yet? Let us know your favorite language to practice in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.